Hello children, how are you all doing? So today we are going to do worksheets on R blends. So if you don't remember R blends, go back to the previous videos and revise them. We are going to do a quick 1 minute revision. So you remember R blends? BR makes the sound brr. I will say every word one time and you will repeat it after me. So BR makes the sound brr. So this is brr, ik, brick. Repeat brr, ik, brick. Like this. CR makes the sound krr. So the word is krr, ab, crab. Repeat krr, ab, crab. DR makes the sound dr, dr. So the word is dr, op, drop. Repeat dr, op, drop. FR makes the sound fr. So we are going to say fr, og, frog. Fr, og, frog. GR makes the sound gr. So gr, ill, grill. Repeat gr, ill, grill. PR makes the sound pr. So the word is pr, eyes, prize. Pr, eyes, prize. TR makes the sound tr, tr. So the word is tr, uck, truck. Tr, uck, truck. So brick, crab, drop, frog, grill, prize, truck. If you are clear and you want to revise it again, you can pause the screen and do that. In this, what we have to do is, you have different words. You remember L blends. So this is a revision of L and R blends. So you can pause the screen and revise the L and R blends so that you don't get confused in the worksheets. Let's see the first worksheet. So in this worksheet, what you have to do is, you have to look at the word and guess which blend will be the answer. So here are two options, CR and PR. You have to guess what is the answer. So what is this? This is the picture of a crown. ये एक मुकुट की picture है. So a crown. Crown में what is the sound you are hearing? Crown, crown. So how is cr written? Is it written as CR or PR? Cr. It is written as CR. So I will circle CR. Let me show you one more example. This is a trumpet, right? Trumpet. What is the sound I hear in trumpet? It is tr. And how is tr written? Tr. Is it written as fr or tr? FR or TR? It is written as TR. So I will circle tr. And like this, you will do for all of these words. In this also, you have to do the same thing. You are given a picture and you have to guess what is the sound or what is the blend that you are going to use. So let's do this one. What is this? This is the picture of a bread, right? So how do you say bread? We say it as br, ed, bread. What is the sound you hear? You hear br, br. So how is br written? Is it written as BR, CR, DR or FR? Br. We know br is written as BR. So I will tick mark br. Like this you will do for all of these questions. Now in this worksheet, what you have to do is, you have to match the same sound. So you will see this picture and you will guess the sound of this picture. So what is this? This is a dress. Dress. What is the sound in dress? What is the blend? It is dr, dr. So the blend here is D, D, R. So I will write it here so that I don't forget. Dr. Now, what is the picture that makes the same sound as dr? Let's see. This is a flag. Flag. So do you hear dr? No. So I will cross it. Let me cross it. This is a drop. Drop. Do you hear dr? Yes, you do. In the beginning, dr, up, drop. So I will tick mark this. This is a bird. Bird. Do you hear dr? No. So I will cross it again. So what is the word which has the same sound as this dress? It is this drop. So I will circle the drop like this. So this is the answer. Likewise, you will do for all the remaining three pictures. In this, What is this? These are the different sounds we learned, right? D, r, d, r gives me dr, dr, dr. Now, what are the pictures that make the sound dr? This is a picture of drinking, right? Dr, dr. Someone is drinking something. It can be water, it can be Pepsi. So, dr, drinking. Do you hear the sound dr? Yes, you do in the beginning. So, I will tick mark this. This is someone is drawing something. कुछ draw कर रहे हैं. Do you hear the sound dr in draw? Yes, you do in the beginning. Dr or draw. So, I will tick mark this. What is this? This is a door. Door. So do you hear the sound dr? No, I will cross this. So what are my answers? My answers are drink and draw. These make the sound dr. Likewise, you will do for kr, pr, fr, br and tr. Now, in this worksheet, we have l and r blends. So let's see how we have to do them. So what is this? This is the picture of a cross. Cross. What is the sound you hear in cross? Kr. Kr. How is kr written? Is it written as kl or is it written as kr? CL or CR? CR, I know. So I will tick mark CR. So CR is the answer. And in this, what is this? What is this? They are clapping. So clap, clap. What is the sound you hear? Do you hear kl or do you hear kr? I hear kl, 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 app, clap. So what will I tick mark? CL or CR? CL. And like this, you will do this worksheet. I hope you are clear with all the worksheets. If not, you should revise L and R blends once again and practice as much as you can. And I know you can do this. All the best. Bye bye for now. See you next time.